Hey everyone, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we have got a 2005 Ford Excursion Limited 4x4 diesel. This is the 6.0 diesel. I've got about $30,000 in invoices, receipts for this vehicle. At 170,000 miles, it was bulletproofed by Power Stroke Magic here in Houston, and they did a lot of work, not only bulletproof, but maintenance as well over the years. Lots of invoices from them. They put new heads on it, tuned, deleted, bulletproof, ARP, head studs, the whole thing. So it's done. No oil leaks or anything. Everything's working to my knowledge, I believe, except for that rear hatch lock. I was playing with it yesterday and that was not locking, so I need to look into that. But we got the Morimoto headlights on there. We got a winch, got some rigid fog lights, amp research boards, power boards, method wheels. Very nice truck, 6-inch lift. We've got the big overland canopy there. Real nice one too. It's a real nice truck, replacement bumpers. It does have a really nice sound system. Got a real nice sound system on it. All the speakers have been replaced with the Infinity speakers. And there's a 10-inch sub back there, Pioneer amps. It's loud, it sounds crisp, there's no rattling or anything like that. It sounds really nice. Take a peek inside, really nice interior, has all been redone. Unlock it, that will help. Take a look in here, these are really nice. Third row is also done. It's got a DVD player there. We've got 4 sets of headsets, 2 keys. It does have remote start as well. There's your boards popping out here. Really nice up front. Give it a start here. It's got the Livewire TS Plus tuner. That's a magnetic charger. It's got the head unit up there. The seats are real nice and comfortable, and they're not all worn out like you typically see. Really nice. No tears or anything here. We have all-weather mats all the way around. Got the airlift rear suspension. Really nice truck. It's fast. Sounds good. Sounds really good. Some of those other services include wheel seals, wheel bearings, the hubs, suspension components, miscellaneous other drivetrain maintenance, new alternator, battery, stuff like that. Got a whole stack of them, comes with the Ford. We're missing one cab light up here at the top. It's a solar light. We do have that on order. That's coming. So that'll be done. Give us a call, text, email. We will get back to you quickly. It's a nice rig. Everything's done. Comes with records, bulletproof. Everything you can hope for with one of these. We can do long distance deals. I can ship this to you anywhere in the country as well. We can do long distance deals. We can work with your bank if you're financing. So hope to hear from you. Go ahead and please click subscribe to the channel. That helps. And follow us on Instagram as well, Rogers_motorcars. We do a lot more posts there. See what's coming down the pipeline. Hope to hear from you real soon. Thank you.